very interesting post by Snow Bado about Converge. So, hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Let's start na po muna with the comments of the fans. Bugs Life. Yung first round pick na yung Alex from bot, enough na for me as a fan ng Converge. They could get a Gozum or choose a pick ng NLEX. Of course, we're tayo ni Dave Ildefonso. Yung sabi po nito kabalan, I do kind of worry. Pero, tignan pa rin natin kasi ang bot, for me, mas pipiliin ko yun para kay Gozum o kay George Jechu. To be honest, kabola. Mas pipiliin ko pa yung ambohot. So, nakita po natin, ano po. Ronald Verbusidad, pa-shout out. Then, sabi po ni user KN5. Si Barney, nakakalam na din niya kaya sa PBA. Basa na siya. Diyan ka na lang, Barney. May maluloko ka pa dyan, sabi na kabola. Regardless naman kasi kung basa siya, kabola eh. He will still be the biggest player in the PBA kung nagbalik po sana siya sa PBA. And that will make him still useful in the league, kabola. Pero mas pinili niya yung MPBL. So, tignan natin kung anong magagawa niya po sa MPBL. Si JMF o si Pardo, quote smiling while posting up a Belga na pina-explain siya, kabola. Sabi lang naman niya basically is, ini-enjoy lang naman niya, diba? Hindi ko napansin, nakangiti pala ako, gusto ko lang i-enjoy, sabi niya, kabola. Sir, hindi na pa namang hindi mag-enjoy, diba, kabola? You are playing with a team with a very big advantage in talent, kabola. Of course, trabahong kalabaw pa rin naman si Pajardo, pero alam niya, at the end of the day, the talent difference between the two teams is vast. It's very vast, kabola. So, enjoy niya lang yung game, like ginagawa niya, diba? Enjoy lang, diba? Ikaw ba naman naglalaro ka sa best team, diba? Nabuo yan ng maayos, diba, kabola? And then, doon naman tayo sa kabila. So, ito nga pong si Christian Stan Heidinger, naghalimaw ng game 2. Pero yun, talo sila, kabola, diba? Parang yung nangyari din doon sa quarterfinals, sinalo ulit ng Meralco, yung naghalimaw na si Bolik, diba? Nangyari na naman dito, naka 41-6 Stan Heidinger. Now, sinabihan siya, kabola, na, ano yan, nag-stat, finder ka, kabola, pinapad niya lang po yung stat niya. Pero in reality, hindi, he's very efficient during this game, eh. Nakakakilabot nga, 13 out of 17 siya dito, kabola, and his assist numbers are also very good. So, he was doing his job, and Stan Heidinger did the work, kabola. He did his part, kabola. He scored, and he scored efficiently, very efficient, kabola. Hindi nakasabay yung mga kampi niya na tulungan siya to overcome the balanced attack of Meralco. Kaya yun, na-overcome sila, kabola. Although, of course, there are two glaring players currently now na medyo nag-struggle sa team nila. That's first, Ahan Misi. Negative 27 na siya in the first two games. That means, sa mga minuto pong nasa loob sa Ahan Misi, they were outscored by 27 points. Then si Thompson naman, kabola, currently talagang missing siya. 11 points lang kaya and keep this two from finding their games, kabola. Now, Converge daw. They are now ready. Ready for massive rebuilding. They want to end the long-standing drought of Independent Teams Championship. They're coming up with a lineup that can match the best teams today. In short, San Miguel and Ginebra. And that makes me very excited, diba? Of course, paparating na yung Baltasar. So, magkakaroon na sila ng very, very loaded po na big man rotation with Aranya there and then Baltasar, kabola. And leading that frontline rotation. Na kailangan nila is yung iba pang piyesa. Stockton, of course, is there already. Winston is, of course, there. Kabola will be entering his sophomore year. Ano pa yung dadagdag nila, di ba? Can we expect Pampanga Boys? Kabola, Abueva, Sanggala, makukuha na ba nila? Or even those in the more prominent teams, kabola, like Castro and Aguilar, di ba? Are they coming? Ikaw ba, kabola, sa palagay mo, paano ba makakatapat sa San Miguel sa Ginebra ang Converge? Comment lang po sa baba.